awesome. Yeah.
How you guys doing? So here's the deal. I'm going to go fast and you're going to go to lunch. Are we on board? Take it because you're the ones who came. You got in the room. You're being impacted by what Clayton said. Amazing. What Jeff said. Amazing. Build pipes. And this is what will build your life. It's like a mosaic. It's like a collage. It's like a quilt. Yeah, something like this. The buck stops here. You must learn to lead generation. You must suck it up. You must get on the struggle bus, baby. Do what it takes. What do you mean? Do what needs to be done, what it needs to be done, whether you feel like it or not. Every single one of you in this room. I've face planted. I've said it wrong. I, did a lot of crazy things. I told him I like to say, give me a hug, man. Just give me a hug. Nobody came but you. Hey, it's an even trade. Now, I was waiting. Like, by the way, I have a big head. Look at that. This way, you take my picture. You've never seen a hat on my head. This is why I look absolutely ridiculous. It looks good on him. No. You gotta be fast.